Hi guys, welcome to John's cooking show. And today we'll be making some cake. Hold on, we'll be making some cake. John, the cake will be in my hand.
Okay.
Boom. So editing jobs need to be. Oh.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today with what's your channel called? Today is big time cooking with
Sophie Jones.
Sophie and my special guest, Emily. Today we're going to be making.
Hey y'all!
Now look at this camera. Now look at this camera.
Oh, today we're going to be making a soup. Actually, what are we making today?
Look at this.
Actually, Sophie, today we will be making a chocolate cake with cherry filling.
Vegetables.
So step one of the cake is going to be, oh my eyes twitching, is going to be gathering our ingredients. So we have, this is going to be a vegan friendly cake. So we have all of the ingredients. You're gonna make sure you want a red pepper because red filling. Throw that away. So, Sophie, if you want to start off with washing our ingredients. Ingredients. It wasn't me. I got a sticker in my shoe when I got in the car.
I'm gonna grab my zucchini.
Is that cucumber? I think that's a cucumber.
Next,
No business. We'll be chopping the vegetables.
I split an apple in half with my hands.
That's impressive, Josie.
Can I watch it?
Do these taste
So
good?
Sophie's actually really new of cutting vegetables.
We're only supposed to cut the yellow one.
Oh, well, I found another one.
Can I do the honors of cutting this?
Actually, yes, you may.
Oh,
You guys
thank
are
you so
cutting the
much.
bell peppers wrong. In the world.
We need more slicing.
Who are you? Who are you? You have the
You've not even been introduced yet.
Camera 3. What are you?
Whoa.
Eggplants are really fun because they're soft.
Can I take a bite of this?
Smelling it.
Should I take a big
I had a
bite?
bell pepper.
No.
Should go hang out there.
Good. Hang out with us.
So Sophie's gonna start having an allergic reaction. Sophie, do you want to get our pot prepped and ready?
I would. Ew. Those look like cucumbers. I got something stuck in my teeth.
Yeah, I can see it.
Can I try the...
It is eggplant.
Okay,
As you can
yes,
see,
you need to be quiet.
the
because it's
bowl
gonna
is
be really
empty.
hard to cut. Sophie, say that again because I was talking in the back.
The bowl is right here. It's empty.
These aren't good.
Apple juice.
Your dad made me in charge.
Why does it have to be quiet? This is going to be the boringest part.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys gotta talk.
You guys can make cute music in the back.
This is the process
Obama?
of putting the cake mixture inside of the pot. And the last ingredient,
Scabies are
guys, now we're gonna be putting this inside the oven over there, which has already been preheated and ready for cooking. Got the cameras. Hang on.
Okay, take it out and put it back in the oven. Because I didn't get the shot.
Put it in the oven.
Okay.
And then you wait 25 minutes.
Is there
Okay,
a
and while we're waiting for 25 minutes for our cake to cook, here's a message from our sponsors. Loestrin. Loloestrin by women who have really heavy periods and want to help. What's a good stain?
Okay.
I love Hamilton. Everyone go watch Hamilton in the Broadway promotions. And another one is sponsored to you by Honeycrisp Apple. Don't forget to eat them or they rot. Okay, don't forget to buy your WD-40 at your local Home Depot Auto Parts. This one's brought to you by Sugars. Don't. This one's from your local Bed and Body Works.
Bed and Body Works.
Bath and Body Works.
What? What is that?
Dude, John, it's too easy.
The vocal couch. Here, I'll give him a kiss.
That'll really solidify the video.
Judy's Jewelry, where me and John will be purchasing our wedding ring in exactly 12 years. Said, put on your calendars.
And the final sponsor of the day.
Men's performance. It's important.
What? I see this is brought to you by Frigidaire Gallery. Okay, men's performance.
Do you have a hard time getting
What is wrong with you guys? Okay, cut.
Okay, now that the timer's up,
No, that was the sound of the timer, Mom.
today we made cake. And that's how you make cake.
No, let's not do that.
Vegetarian, enough who are gluten-free. See all your allergies.
Oh, my hand?
No!
With whatever.
That's pudgy.
Mmm.
We'll get that.
Mmm. Mmm.
Now we are feeding our man 2, Latoni. Did I get it? And we will be having him try our cake we just made.
I need to get the cake.
Ready?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, now what does it taste like,
What does it
Anthony?
taste like?
What do you think? What
Ask
do you think is it?
Greg.com.
What is it made out of?
Don't open your eyes. You can't taste it well
Yeah.
if you open your eyes. Chew. Chew.
How do you like my cooking? How do you like my cooking?
Oh, we have another person to try our
My
cake.
cooking.
Libby, come here. Come here.
What does it taste like,
My
Anthony?
Where does it not make that?
Anthony, what does it taste like?
That would have.
Eggplant.
I mean, yes, they did.
And what
And-
else? What else? There's 3 ingredients.
I mean, it's,
Pepper.
And
Libby.
I use this.
Chicken.
Chicken. Sorry, there was no chicken.
Libby, can you guess the last ingredient?
It's so mad.
What did you say? It's cucumber.
Ah, we got it. Well, it was a successful day cooking here at Big Time Chefs. See
here,
us.
I'll say the conclusion.
Okay.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.
Follow our
Make
OnlyFans.
I like
make
it.
John Jen's dreams come true and blow it up. Next time we'll be cooking
Our wedding cake.
our wedding cake.
Okay, retry that.
I don't want a wedding cake. I want like peach cobbler.
Shrimp tacos.
Next time we'll be cooking
Shrimp.
peach cobbler.
Three. Well, okay, you have to do that again because Anthony ruined it.
John, I can't hear you whisper when you're behind me.
Anthony ruined it.
You gotta say action.
Oh my. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I didn't say action. God dang. Okay.
Do I have a booger in my nose?
Who's that
So, okay.
John, this is the next part. This is the next clip. You crying. Am I a good angle? That's what she said.
Oh, wait, here, wait. Let me
That's
go
not my good angle.
No, because I need the kitchen in the background.
Oh, gotcha.
What's wrong with you guys? Okay, cut. That was possibly the dumbest thing.
I really like the.
No, we gotta put it in the fridge or the refrigerator.
Microwave.
A strainer would be nice. He's like, his idea is failing, so he's being a bitch now.
Don't worry, I'll get a strainer.
So am I unboxing it?
No.
POV.
POV. It's my
You're
first
kissing me.
kiss.
Okay. Put the cake.
Please do that.
No, Josie, put the cake in the
Here,
pot.
POV. First kiss. Why'd your boob rub up on me?
So we're just gonna.